Looking for the best fishing lure sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 fishing lure sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Smartonly 275-piece fishing lure set. 275-piece tackle set that includes frog lures, hard, soft, and metal lures, poppers, minnows, and accessories such as swivels and hooks. Good quality. For freshwater and saltwater fishing. Comes in a plastic tackle box. With a whopping 275 pieces, you're sure to find something you like here. Just be aware that the colors they send may not be the colors you expect. The colors they send are random, so you won't necessarily get what you see in the product pictures. The hooks included here are very small. At number 2. Opq Fishing Lure Set. This well-made set of fishing lures comes with a small case for compact storage. The collection has lures suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Included are a minnow, a frog, 2 shrimp, an abundance of soft plastic worms, and more. A value-packed set of fishing lures that includes everything a beginner needs to make that first catch. It's hard to find fault with this comprehensive, affordably priced set of fishing lures. At number 1. PLUSINNO 102-piece Fishing Lure Apple Set. 102-piece tackle set. Types include frogs, crankbaits, spoon lures, poppers, and 3 different kinds of plastic worms. A nice collection of hard, soft, and metal lures. Good quality. Comes with a free tackle box. A nice collection of durable lures that won't limit you in terms of where you fish or what you fish for. Box was smaller than some buyers anticipated, and some claim that it arrived damaged. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.